Welcome to the installation of Fishbone Offroad's D-Ring frame mounts for Jeep's 2007 to 2018 JK Wrangler. Step 1. Remove your vehicle's bumper according to the manufacturer's instructions. We've included our own how-to in the comments below.
Step 4. The included nut plates will require you to slightly modify your crossmember in order to install them. With a cutoff wheel or similar, cut into these openings as shown to allow the nut plate to fit. Additionally, take care not to drop the plate into the channel in the following steps.
Step 2. Place one of the mounts into the frame and insert two of the included bolts and washers through the holes. On the inside of the frame, secure the innermost bolt with an included nylock nut and washer. Secure the remaining bolt by sliding the included nut plate through the shown opening in the frame. Step 3. Using a 21mm socket and a 22mm wrench, tighten down the bolts. Repeat on the opposite side. Finally, install the included D-rings onto the mounts. Enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road D-Ring frame mounts.